Bharati Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Namakkal. I am A. Vijay Kumari, Department of Mathematics. In this video, 7th Standard, Unit 2, Measurement, Introductions and a Parallelogram. Listen the shape of the pictures. Anybody? Can you tell me the name of the shapes? Yes, some shapes, you know. What are the shapes, Triangle, square, rectangles. Then, this in this picture, the first shape, number 1, what is the one, Yes, it is a triangle. And number 2, what is the one? Yes, is a rectangle. Yes. What is the one picture number 3? This one? Square. But the 4, 5, 6 or this picture's name? Yes, it is a different. Now listen the shape number 4. This shape of the name? Yes, now I explain. The shape look like a rectangle because the opposite sides are equal and parallel. But the adjacent sides do not make right angle. So, this one, the special shapes, it is called parallelogram. Yes, number 4 is called parallelogram. Listen, the next one, this one, shape number 5. Shape 5 has all the sides equal and looks like a square. But the adjacent sides do not make right angle. This one, what is right angle is 90 degree. It didn't make it the 90 degree angle. So, it is also the special shapes. Its name of rhombus. Yes, in shape number 5, the special name called rhombus. The next one, picture 6. You see this one, 6, Anybody using in this one? Yes, now I explain this one. The shape 6 does not have any of the properties of square and rectangle, but one pair of opposite sides are parallel. It is also the different shape. It is called trapezium. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a four-sided closed shape in which opposite sides are both parallel and equal. Area of the parallelogram equal to B into H square units. Perimeter of the parallelogram equal to sum of all sides unit. It is formula. Next, exercise 2.1. First Roman. What is the question pattern? Find the area and perimeter. You will calculate area and perimeter. One diagram is given. What is the diagram? This diagram name? Yes, it is the parallelogram. What is the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So, AB equal to 11 centimeter as a pair, CD equal to 11 centimeter. AD equal to 4 centimeter as a pair, BC equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Next, what do you calculate first? Area of the parallelogram. What is the formula? B into H square unit. First, what is the value? B. What is the B value? Which is the B? Base. Base equal to B. So, AB equal to base. What is the measurement in AB? 11 centimeter. So, you write 11 centimeter. Next, what do you want? Height. What is the one height? In 3 centimeter is height. So, H equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, ma? So, here you substitute the value of the variable. What is the B value? 11 into, what is the H value? 3. So, 11 into 3, 33 centimeter square. Suppose in this measurement this is given by meter, here you write it meter square. What is the one next you calculate? Perimeter of the parallelogram. What is the formula for that? Sum of all sides unit. So, first this one, all sides, first side, second side, third side, fourth one. What is the first side value? 11. Second one, 4 centimeter. Third side, 11 centimeter. 15. 15 plus 15, 30 centimeter only you write it. Suppose here given in meter, here you write it in meter. What is the area? Area equal to 33 centimeter square and a perimeter equal to 30 centimeter. Number 2 P, Q, R, S is a parallelogram. In this diagram is given by one different. In this one, bisector. So it is the height. It is the in this one is called base. இங்க bisect ஆகிறதுனால இது நம்ம height எடுத்துக்கிறோம் பண்ணி இந்த லைன்ல நம்ம என்னவா எடுத்துக்கிறோம் அப்படினா base எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? So P S 7 cm. So Q R also 7 cm. P Q 13 cm. So in this side 13 cm. So B equal to 7 cm, H equal to 10 cm. What is the area of the parallelogram formula? B into H. What is the B value? 7 into H value 10. 7 into 10, 70. The sum is given by centimeter, so you write it centimeter square. Next, perimeter of the parallelogram. Sum of all sides. What is the first side? 13 centimeter. Second side 7 centimeter. Third one 13 centimeter into 7. So 13 into 7, 20. 13 into plus 7, 20. 20 plus 20, 40 centimeter. So perimeter of the parallelogram is 40 centimeter. Area of the parallelogram is 70 centimeter square. Find the missing value. 2 value is given, 1 value is missing. You calculate this one. Base, height given. What is the value is missing? Area. So in this sum you calculate by area. What is the formula? In this exercise you fully studied by parallelogram. So in this sum is find out the area of the parallelogram. So you write in the area formula B into H square unit. What is the B value? 18. So 18 into what is the H value? 5. You write it 5. 5 into 8, 40. So you write 0, balance 4. Then 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So centimeter square. In this sum, area of parallelogram equal to 90 centimeter square. As the same exercise, second sum, base 8 meter, area is given 56 square meter. What is the one is find out? Height. Yes, you will calculate by height in this sum. In the sum, we will calculate height. So, what is the one is given? Area given. What is the formula? B into H. B into H equal to area. Okay, va? So B value 8. H value you don't know, so you write it H. Then what is the area value? 56. So you write it 56. Which one is don't know? H. So you write it H. 56. Then 8 go that side. Multiplication you change into division. So 8. How many times can 56 in 8? So how many times 8 can 8 one time? 56 7 times. So H equal to 7. What is the measurement is given? Meter. So height equal to 7 meter. In third sum, H equal to 17 mm. Area equal to 221 mm square is given. What is the missing? Base is missing. So you will calculate in this sum base. So what is the one is given? Area. B into H equal to area. What is the B value? We don't know. So you write it B into what is H value? 17 equal to what is the area value? 221. We don't know the value, here you write it. 221, 17, go that side, divide. So divided by 17. Then 221 divided by 17. How many times? You take first two number, one time. 17. What is the balance? 5. What is the next number? 1. So how many times? 3. So 51. Then 17 one time. What the answer will come? 13. So 221 is how many times? 13 times. So B equal to 13. What is the unit is given? Mm. So you write it mm. The base value equal to 13 mm. Are you clear? Next, question number 3. Suresh won a parallelogram shaped trophy in a state level chess tournament. He knows that the area of the trophy is 735 square centimeter and its base is 21 centimeter. What is the height of the trophy? In this sums, area of the trophy base கொடுத்துட்டாங்க கண்ணு. height of the trophy தான் நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணோம். நம்ம செகண்ட் சம்மில் போட்ட மாதிரி தான் ஏரியாவும் பேஸும் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஹைட் நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணுறோம். லிசன். Sum number 3 in this sum given by the trophy is shape of parallelogram. Trophy வந்து parallelogram shape இருக்குல்ல. So base is given 21 cm and area of the trophy equal to 735 is given by sum. Somebody இந்த ரெண்டும் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. What is the one is missing height? So you calculate by the sum height of the trophy. So what is the one is given? Area. What is the formula? B into H equal to area. What is the B value? 21. So you write it 21. You don't know this value of height. So you write H. What is the area value? 735. So you don't know this value here. You write it H. 735. 21 go that side, divide. Then what is the meaning? 735 divided by 21. So it times 3 times. 21, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. You now subtract 3 minus 3, 0, 7 minus 6, 1. Next number 5. So how many times? 5 times. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 0. What's the answer become? 35. So 21 one time, 735 now 35 times. So H equal to 35. What is the unit is given? Centimeter. So you write it centimeter. Height of the trophy equal to 35 centimeter. Understand? Sum number 4 Janaki has a piece of fabric in the shape of a parallelogram. Its height is 12 meter and its base is 18 meter. She cuts the fabric into 4 equal parallelograms by cutting in the parallel sides through its midpoint. Find the area of each new parallelogram. What is the meaning of this sum? இதில் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஃபேப்ரிக் ஷேப் இருக்குதுன்னு அது வந்து பேரலோகிராம் ஷேப்பில் இருக்குது. அது வந்து ஹைட் வந்து 12 சென்டிமீட்டரும் பேஸ் வந்து 18 சென்டிமீட்டரும் இருக்குது. அந்த பேரலோகிராமை வந்து நாம் 4 ஈக்குவல் பார்ட்டாக புதுசாக பிரிக்கிறோம். அப்படி பிரிக்க போகும்போது அதை எதை மைண்ட் பண்ணி பிரிக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா மிட் பாயிண்ட் வச்சு நம்ம இந்த சம்மில் பிரிக்கிறோம். அப்படி பிரிக்கும் போது 4 ஈக்குவல் நியூ பேரலோகிராம் கிடைக்குது. அப்போது ஒவ்வொரு பேரலோகிராமோடைய ஏரியா நம்மளை கேட்குறாங்க. லிசன். சம் நம்பர் 4. height equal to H 12 meter, base equal to 18 meter. And this sum given one parallelogram diagram you cut into equal 4 part. And ஒரு parallelogram 4 equal part midpoint வச்சு நாம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா டிவைட் பண்றோம். So first you calculate the area of the parallelogram. What is the formula? B into H square unit. What is the B value? 12. What is the H value? 18. So 12 into 18 you multiple. 8 is 16. Balance 1. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. 1 2 is 2. 1 1 is 1. You add 6. 9. 9 plus 2 11. 2. So 260. What is the measurement? M meter square. The area of the parallelogram equal to 260 meter square. In this parallelogram, you cut 4 equal parts. You cut in the midpoint. Cut in the midpoint. It is the parallelogram diagram. இது நம்ம இப்படி என்ன பண்றோம்னா இந்த midpoint வெச்சு நம்ம by 4. Then 21. How many times? 5 4s are 20. Balance 1 16. 16 how many times correct? 4. 16. So 0. What is the answer? 54 meter. So each one parallelogram area equal to 54 meter. Next one, sum number 5. A ground is in the shape of parallelogram. The height of the parallelogram is 14 meters and the corresponding base is 3 meter longer than its height. Find the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 15 per square meter. In this sum, what is the meaning is given kana? The height of the parallelogram is 14 meter kana. The base is 8 meter longer than height. Height விட 8 meter வந்து அதிகம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம ஏரியா கால்குலேட் பண்ணிவிட்டு the cost of leveling. level அப்படின்னா என்னென்னா சமப்படுத்துறது. 1 kilometer you spend the amount rupees 50. So what is the cost of leveling in the total ground? Listen. Sum number 8 kada in this sum given the ground is shape of the parallelogram. So height given, height equal to 14 centimeter. Base what you saying? Base equal to height longer than height. So height மாதிரி 8 meter வந்து அதிகம் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So what is the height? 14. So how many meter is longer? 8. So 14 plus 8 equal to 22. So what is the base? Base equal to 22 meter. Now you calculate the area of the parallelogram. What is the formula? B into H. B value 22 into H value 14. Then multiple 22 into 14. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 8, 10, balance 1, 3. So 308. You calculate area. So you write it in meter square. After in this sum is given for the calculate of the cost of the leveling. What is the meaning of leveling? சமப்படுத்துறது. So cost of leveling for 1 square meter. 1 square meter you spend the money rupees 15. How much money you spend? Rupees 15. What's the area you will calculate? 308. So cost of leveling for 308 meter square. So 308 into 15. You calculate 308 into 15. 8 5s are 40. 4. 5 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 5 3s are 15. 1 8 is 8. 1 0, 0. 1 3 is 3. Then 0. 8 plus 4, 12. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. So rupees 4,620. The cost of leveling for the ground rupees 4,620. Are you understand? In this exercise, example sum 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4 are doing the same model of exercise. Exerciseல வர மாதிரியான அதே model sums தான் but 2.5 is different. The base of the parallelogram is thrice its height. What is the meaning height மாதிரி 3 மடங்கு thrice அப்படின்னா 3 மடங்கு. If the area is 192 square meter, find the base and height. ஏரியா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, ஹைட்டையும் பேஸையும் நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். ஆனால் பேஸ் மட்டும் என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா ஹைட் மாதிரி 3 மடங்குன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ 3 into height. ஓகேவா? லிசன். Example 2.5 solution let the height of the parallelogram h centimeter. let அப்படினாலே height வந்து நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேங்கிற மீனிங் கூட. ஸோ h அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். The base of the parallelogram equal to 3h is given in sum. Sumலே வந்து 3h அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So 3h centimeter. What is this given? Area is given. So area of the parallelogram equal to 192 square centimeter. இதுவும் sumலே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஏரியா வந்து 192 அப்படின்னு. இப்போ வாட் யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பேஸ் அண்ட் ஹைட். பேஸும் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், ஹைட்டும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ b into h equal to area 192. b ஓட வேல்யூ 3h. So 3h into h ஓட வேல்யூ h. You write it 192. 3h into h square. h plus h அப்படினா தான் 2h னு நம்ம எழுதணும். இந்த இடத்துல h into பண்ணும்போது ஸ்கொயர்ல தான் வரும். So 3h square equal to 192. So இந்த 3 அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போய்க்கலாம். h square equal to 192 by 3. h square equal to 3 one time 92 வந்து 64 times. அப்ப h square equal to 64. அப்ப h square equal to 64. அப்ப எந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 64 வரும்னு பாருங்க. 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. அப்ப 8 into 8 equal to 64. ஏன் ஒரே நம்பரை தான் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுமா? ஆமா, ஏன்னா h square அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. ஸ்கொயர் அப்படினாலே multiple by itself. அப்ப 8 into 8 equal to 64. அப்ப h equal to 8 centimeter. The height of the parallelogram equal to 8 centimeter. Base equal to 3h. Then 3 into h value kana 8. 3 into 8, 8 is 24 centimeter. So h equal to 8, b equal to 24 centimeter. This is the answer. Next, choose the correct answer. Sixth sum parunga. The perimeter of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 6 cm and 5 cm is அப்படினு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இல்ல வந்து perimeter கேக்குறாங்க. அப்போ what is the formula of the perimeter kana? Sum of all side. அப்போ one side 6 cm, second side 5 cm, third side the opposite sides are equal. So third side 6 cm and fourth side 5 cm. அப்போ 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 equal to what is the answer kana? எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம ப்ளஸ் பண்ணோம்னா எவ்வளோ வரும் அப்படின்னா 22 cm. So sixth one answer 22 cm. Next, seventh sum parukana. The area of the parallelogram whose base 10 meter and height equal to 7 meter அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Area of a parallelogram b into h. So 10 into 7 70. So seventh one answer 70 square centimeter. Sum number 8 parukana. The base of the parallelogram with area is 52 square meter centimeter and height 4 cm. இல்லை ஏரியா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, ஹைட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ நம்ம பேஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், என்ன கண்டு பண்ணணும்? ஏரியாவை ஹைட்டால் டிவைட் பண்ணணும். அப்போ 52 divided by 4 what is the answer ma? 13. So 8th one க்கு 13 cm is the answer. Next, sum number 9 பாருங்க. What happened to the area of the parallelogram if the base is increased 2 times and the height is halved? பேஸ் வந்து 2 times increase ஆகுதுக்கான ஹைட் வந்து ஹாஃபாக மாறுது. அப்போ என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும் அப்படின்னா remains the same. 10th ஒன்க்கான in a parallelogram the base is 3 times its height. If the height is 8 cm then the area is ஏரியா நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணக்கணும். எக்ஸாம்பிள் 2.5ல போட்டது சேம் மாடல் தான். 10th சம்க்கான பேஸ் வந்து 3 times of height மாதிரி 3 timesனு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஹைட் வந்து 8 cm சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ பேஸ் என்னவா இருக்குங்கன்னா 3 into 8. 8 3s are 24. அப்போ பேஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 24 இன்ட்டு ஹச்சோட வேல்யூ 8. அப்போ 8 into 24 எனக்கான ஆன்சர் 192. ஸோ ஏரியா ஈக்குவல் டு 192. ஸோ 10th one answer 192 square centimeter. Dear students, all the sums you copy your classwork notebook, write neatly. Thank you.